Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Pad Air, and let me share with you how to reset the network preferences on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and then in this section let's scroll to find additional settings. Then let's scroll down to find backup and reset option and tap on reset device. As you can see at the top, we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it and tap on reset network settings. As you can see right now, we have to wait a second and the network reset has been completed successfully. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your OPPO Tab Air. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.